Do cowboys still exist? Well, their lifestyles may have changed, but yes, you can still find cowboys alive and well today. Here are 5 fun facts about modern cowboys and where you can meet them.
Welcome to Texas.
Yes, ma'am. Though an iconic symbol of the American West, Canada has cowboys too, including in Quebec and Alberta. In fact, you'll see a whole heck of a lot of them at Alberta's Calgary Stampede, a giant rodeo and western festival held every July. Yes, in fact, modern cowboys, like their historic counterparts, crave wide open spaces, far away from the crowds. Like Ron Schaefer, a cowboy who took me riding along the US-Mexico border.
Sometimes you wonder why they all bunch up in the cities when there's all of this.
Cowboying is not just for men. You can find cowgirls riding the range too, just as they have throughout history. So hometown Texas. While they don't like to be called dudes, you can find cowboys on modern dude ranches. And it's at these destinations where you can learn to ride and saddle up yourself. Cowboy hats aren't just for style. They serve multiple purposes. And cowboys still wear these wide-brim, high-top hats for protection against the elements, like intense sun, wind, and even hail.
Summertime hail. All about the layers.
All about the layers.
And the cowboy hat. Now I see why they wear them.